What up, y'all? Hey, we back at it again. It's a beautiful weekend back in Champaign, Illinois.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first car bike, and EV event, I should say.
Yeah,
but
right at home.
Yeah. We out here. Nowhere. We popped up, so everybody came out. I think everybody been itching to get outside because, as you can see, we pulling up. It's a lot of cars out here.
Yes, sir.
A lot of cars. And I had no idea where this place was gonna be, but when we came around the corner, hey, you gonna see they brought them out.
Yeah.
All right, so here we go.
Peace. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about you on that when I turn this camera on. Being sneaky. Yeah, you do.
Look at the old school Porsche. Trans, man. Old school Porsche. I had to get a picture of that. What's crashing? electric Chevy Silverado. Yeah.
Huh?
Like something happened with the paint though. Yeah, one little drip. I was like, you see it running. I thought it was like water. You see it?
Yeah.
I was like, I thought.
Clear.
Yeah, I was like, what is that? It's my like get it GT. It's that GT8, I believe. I tell you, he debadged it.
Yep.
Yeah, the way them tires sitting. Oh yeah. That's a new brand. Yeah, new brand. What's up? What's up? See you out getting it in too. Yeah, sir. Okay, yeah, you got to get that content. There they go.
Hey, see these two fellas.
Yeah, and first event of the year, man.
Hey,
We already know what's going on.
Yeah, it's going down.
That time.
I know that's right.
Yep.
Sir.
Yep. Look for the
How long
channel.
you been out here?
I've been out here since like 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Yeah, I kind of got here a little late, but hey, I ain't missing nothing.
You're right.
Oh, it's something.
You know,
Oh, look, we got TK Turbo out here.
What's going on?
Yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all check out his channel, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Yep. He got his gear on. Okay, Decatur Automotive Enthusiast. So we're gonna go check out some of his events this year. Yeah, we're gonna check out some of his events.
Appreciate y'all. Fellas.
always.
Yeah, yep, always. Hey, all right, hey man, we content creators. We gotta stick together.
Hey,
Yep.
do what you gotta do.
We coming. We ain't missing.
Yes, sir.
All right. We
Be like you one day. I'm gonna grow up.
Hey, shooting this on the new DJI Action 5, man. So far, I'm liking this camera.
Hey, you man, sneaky.
No, let's go in and see what they got, man. Okay, first right off the bat, RS. Okay. Oh yeah, carbon fiber hood. C8 carbon fiber. Oh yeah. Got Josh and Marcus as soon as we walk in. Oh, this is another one I like, though. GTR. clean. Damn, that's okay. That's nice.
So stop. Crazy. How far we came in technology, dude.
Oh, no.
Come a long way. Material was good. Man, ain't fitting in that, dude. You gotta be under 5'5" to fit.
You're right. Oh, yeah. Footage, that's good. You doing it with the phone? Good. For Instagram. The R1S out here. Let's take the R1S somebody got out here. Yeah. Washed it. Looking at them. Yeah. Somebody got the Bentley out. Oop. Somebody got their Bentley. It ain't me. That's another clean. That's Nino. Oh yeah, very nice. Yeah, that's nice right there. That's like the one Matt had. This is the first one to get your ass outside. Everybody been itching.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a wrap in Mr. Auto Body.
Yeah.
Champaign
Auto Body.
Yep.
But yeah, man, it was some beautiful cars. Way better than I thought it was gonna turn out.
Yes,
We
sir.
got here late.
Yeah.
But hey, it was a hell of a turnout. Nice cars. This is just the beginning.
Hey, we got cars in Champaign.
Oh
Hey,
yeah.
Don't knock it.
They be hiding them, but they be bringing them out.
Yeah.
All right, y'all.
Hit that button.
Hit that button. Y'all know if y'all haven't already, like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, and we see you next time.
Peace.
All right. I knew he was late.
Yeah.